Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Thought-Provoking Videos. Today in this video we will learn that how to find copyright-free images on Google so you can use them in your videos. Well, let's get started. Open web browser and here we will type images.google.com. So here let's search something like funny images, and here you'll see in the settings advanced search, click on that, and here in the advanced search in the usage rights we will select free to use or share even commercially. So select this and click on advanced search. So the images you can see here, you can use them in your videos, so they are free and you are allowed to use them even commercially. So thank you for watching our YouTube channel. For more similar videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.